In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 5 best side hustles in my opinion that you guys should be starting in 2020. So you've got a month remaining until the new year starts. Well, get researching now, guys. Watch this video, get some ideas in your head, start doing some research, and in 2020, make this your New Year's resolution to start making some extra money. So I don't want to mess around in this video, guys. I just want to jump straight into it, to be honest. So let's just talk about them. Method number 1 that I want to share with you guys. Okay, this is one of the best side hustles in my opinion that I'm doing myself right now, and that is leverage trading on BitMEX. So I'm not going to go into too much detail about what this is because it is quite confusing. There's a lot of information to know, okay? Especially, okay, I'm gonna put some footage up on the screen right now. Take a look at this. This is the dashboard of the leverage trading platform that I use. This is BitMEX.com. I will put a link to this in the description down below. But basically, guys, what you're gonna be doing is trading Bitcoin with leverage using this website, BitMEX, using this exchange. They will leverage it, and you can actually get up to 100 times leverage. That means they will actually kind of borrow you some money, okay? So that means you can get 100 times returns on your profits, okay? 100 times, up to that, all right? So I've got a full video explaining more about this. I'm gonna link that in the description down below as well. I highly recommend you go over there and watch this video if you're interested in this. But basically, guys, you can be trading Bitcoin with leverage, and you can either do a long position or a short position. A long position means you think the price of Bitcoin is gonna go up, okay? A short position means you think the Bitcoin price is going to go down. So like I said, I'm not going to go into too much detail in this video because it's going to be way too long. There's a lot of information to know. So if you are interested in this, make sure you go to the description right now or at the end of this video, click that link and watch the video where I explain BitMEX in detail, all right? So let's move on to method number 2. So guys, method number 2 is one that's very, very close to my heart. This is what I do every single day to make a full-time income from my laptop and my computer, okay? This is affiliate marketing. So again, there is so much to learn about affiliate marketing. I'm not gonna go into too much detail about any of these methods in this video because this video would be hours and hours long, okay? There's no point. I've got other videos, shorter videos, explaining these things separately. So I highly recommend checking them all out in the description, okay? Find whichever one you're interested in this video right here. And once you've chosen one that you think you're interested in, go to the description and find the video because I'm gonna have another video on the channel somewhere explaining these in more detail, all right? About every single one of these 5 side hustles. But affiliate marketing, basically, guys, it is my job to send traffic to other people's products. For example, Amazon. Amazon is a great example for this, okay? If you can make a YouTube video right now reviewing anything at all, okay? Reviewing this U-Green MacBook adapter thing. You could make a video reviewing this thing right now, okay? And then go to Amazon, get an affiliate link, put that in your description, tell people to go to your description, click the link down there. Once they purchase this, you will earn an affiliate commission, okay? That is how affiliate marketing works in a nutshell. You're gonna be selling other people's products to earn commissions yourself. You're gonna be driving traffic to other people's products, whether it be a real thing like this, or sometimes it can even be a digital online product, all right? That is affiliate marketing in a nutshell. Like I said, there's so much more to know about this. I'm gonna have a link to some training in the description down below, okay? That's gonna start off with some free training for you, all right? I'm gonna link that in the description down below. I'll put all 5 of these methods down there with any videos I recommend, any websites I recommend for you. It's all gonna be in the description, guys, to help you out, okay? So yeah, again, I keep saying this, but make sure you check the description after this video is over, all right, to find any links. But yeah, affiliate marketing, that is my expertise. That is what I do on a daily basis. And I'm sometimes making $1,000, even $2,000 in a single day from commissions, okay? That's profit, guys, all right? So if you want to learn more about that, yeah, check out the link in the description or leave a comment down below. I've got a lot of knowledge on this. So if you do have any questions about affiliate marketing, please drop a comment down below and I will get back to you. But let's move on to method number 3. All right, so number 3, guys, is going to be Airbnb. Now, this is a really, really, really cool side hustle that I think a lot of you will have fun doing, okay? Because they've got this new thing called experiences, all right? And with these experiences, you can basically host like a tour kind of thing in whatever city or town you are in, all right? So I'm in Bangkok right now. Again, I'll put some footage up on the screen right now. These are all the different things that I can do in Bangkok right now. I can do food tours, cycling tours, photography tours. There's all sorts of things on here. So if you've got some good knowledge about your city, you know the food, you know the area, this is a really, really good opportunity for you, okay? If you like photography like I do myself, you could do a photography tour, like a couple's photography tour. And the money you make on here is crazy, guys, okay? People charge massive amounts, okay? Like $100 per couple for like 2 hours of photography, which is really, really good. And like I said, it's fun as well. You're out and about taking pictures of people or eating food or whatever you're doing, meeting new friends. That's what this is all about, guys. And you can make money while you do it. You can pick and choose when your free times are, okay? It's up to you when you want to do these. So it's a great, great side hustle to start in 2020, all right? So check it out. Go to Airbnb.com, click on the experiences, have a look what other people are doing in your areas and see if you can do the same thing. Or if you're creative and think of something new, okay, and be the only one in the market doing that particular thing. But yeah, definitely worth checking out. I find this a really, really cool way to make some extra money on the side. And method number 4, side hustle number 4 is going to be drop shipping or e-commerce. And by the way, sorry if the camera's moved and the lighting's changed or something. My camera just died and I had to replace the battery. I had to take the camera off. I had to restart all the lighting. Really, really fun stuff. But yeah, guys, number 4, drop shipping. So if you don't know what this is, let me explain it to you in the simplest terms I can. Okay, so basically, here we've got Alibaba, okay, Alibaba.com, whatever the website's called. You found a phone case over here for $2. And now what you've gone and done is made a website on Shopify or Amazon or eBay or something like that. And you're gonna sell this phone case on your website for $10. So that's an $8 difference. And now when somebody comes to your website and purchases this phone case for $10, what you're gonna do is find that website, that phone case on Alibaba again for $2, purchase it from there and get it sent to your customer that you got on your website. Okay, you're gonna keep the profit. That's gonna be $8 minus shipping or whatever. Okay, so around $8 profit for that. That's the very, very basics of drop shipping, but there's a lot to learn about this as well. There are plenty of videos on YouTube though to help you. What I recommend you do right now, okay, well actually at the end of this video, okay, watch this video first. Go to YouTube, you're on it already, go to the search bar and search for drop shipping. There are hundreds, even thousands of people now these days making videos about drop shipping, okay? There's so much information for free on YouTube. Or if you go to Google, you're gonna find some blog articles and stuff like that. There's loads of information there. There's gonna be some courses on there as well for you. I'm gonna put some links in the description down below that I recommend you check out again, okay? So if you have any questions about it, again, drop a comment down below and I will help you with it. But I haven't got a whole lot of knowledge on this, but I do have some basic knowledge about it, okay? So I can help you a little bit. But yeah, definitely worth doing. People are making millions of dollars with drop shipping, guys. Trust me, once you've got this going, you can automate it all by the end, okay? You can literally, there's people doing this and it's completely automated. They don't have to do anything at all, pretty much. And they're making millions of dollars every single year, okay? That could be you, but it's gonna require a lot of time, patience, and effort, but it's definitely worth checking out, guys, okay? So if you're interested in drop shipping, check the links in the description to find out some more information about that. And side hustle number 5, the last one, is going to be becoming an Uber driver. Okay, you might be thinking, well, that's a bit obvious. Well, yes, it is, but people are making a full-time income from Uber. Trust me, you can make a lot of money. You've got a few different options as well. If you don't have a car, doesn't matter. You can use your skateboard. You can use your roller skates. You can use a bicycle. You can do whatever you want. You can deliver food for them, okay? If you have a car, you can deliver people. You can send them to the locations. You can be like a taxi kind of driver, okay? Plenty of options on Uber. And like I said, people make a killing with doing this, okay? It's good exercise as well. If you're a food delivery driver riding a bicycle, it's getting you out of the house, you're getting the exercise done, and you're getting paid for doing this at the same time, all right? And like I said, you make some decent money with this. And the best thing about Uber, you can work whenever you want, pretty much, and wherever you want. This is available in so many different countries all around the world, all right? If Uber isn't available in your country, I'd be surprised if it's not. I'm in Thailand right now and it's available here, but this is not very popular in Thailand. Uber isn't hugely popular. There's another app called Grab, which Uber recently taken over, I believe. And now that's the huge app in Thailand. It's called Grab. But it's the exact same thing. You can get taxis on there. You can get food deliveries on there. You can deliver items on there. Okay, products and stuff you buy from shops. You can send it, things like that. Loads and loads of options for you on these websites, all right? So if Uber isn't available in your country, find another app like Grab. I'm sure you already know. You've probably got an app in your mind already right now that works in your city, okay? So use that one, sign up to it, start making some money doing that, okay? Sending people places, sending food, delivering food, really, really simple things, but it pays pretty well and pretty much anyone can do it. They hire anyone from all over the world, okay? You've probably seen in the USA, most of the drivers aren't even from the USA, they're from out of the country, all right? So you can do this, guys. Check it out. Go to uber.com or find whichever one works in your city. So there we go then, guys. That is it for this video. Showed you the 5 best side hustles in my opinion that I think you should be starting, okay? You should be learning about them right now. Spend a couple of weeks learning about them, and then for New Year's, get into it, guys. Start making some money, extra money on the side doing these side hustles. Pick one and focus on that. Please don't try this one and try this one and try this one. Pick one you think you're going to be good at, you think you're going to be interested in. Stick to that one. That's your best bet. Trust me, guys, okay? Me personally, I've stuck to affiliate marketing. I've been doing affiliate marketing for the past around 5 years already now, okay? So I liked it. It made me good money. I was pretty decent at it, so I stuck to it. That's what I recommend you do. Find one thing that you like, stick to it, and don't veer off, okay? Stick to one thing. That's what too many people do. That's the mistake that most people do. They just try too many things instead of focusing on one, okay? Trust me, that's gonna work. But yeah, this video, that is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, okay? That really helps out the YouTube algorithm. When you thumbs it up, you subscribe, you share it with your friends and family, you drop a comment down below. Trust me, all of this stuff, it really, really helps me out, and I love you guys for doing it all, okay? I'm always reading the comments, replying to loads of them, okay? You've probably noticed that if you're familiar with my channel. So yeah, please do all of that stuff, okay? Thank you very much. But yeah, as for this video, that is it. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.